guys, this is me Anushka. Welcome back.
1, 2, 3. Wow. Boom.
I hope you guys are doing very good. I'm doing great, and today I have something special for you guys. So let's begin. So recently I've done some shopping on Ajio via Letty Shops. तो मैं एक ऐप यूज कर रही हूँ कुछ दिनों से. It's called Letty Shops और ये आपको कैशबैक देता है डिस्काउंट के ऊपर. And 3000 websites are partnered with Letty Shops, like big brands, Ajio, Flipkart, Myntra, Decathlon, Pharmacy, Jockey and whatnot. So many brands, so many big websites. And ये जो ऐप है Letty Shops ये बिल्कुल फ्री है. So you can download it from Google Play or App Store or anything, and you can just download and get cashbacks. और बेस्ट जो चीज़ है Letty Shops का वो ये है कि आपको जो अलग अलग ब्रांड्स हैं उसके ऐप डाउनलोड नहीं करने पड़ेंगे अपने फ़ोन में, या वेबसाइट्स नहीं खोलनी पड़ेगी. आपको सिर्फ एक ऐप चाहिए, वो है Letty Shops, और वो आपको कनेक्ट कर देगा जो भी वेबसाइट से आपको शॉपिंग करनी है. अमेजिंग राइट? मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना एक हॉल करूं आप लोगों के साथ. आई विल शो यू गाइज व्हाट ऑल आई हैव शॉप्ड. सो आई एम गोना स्टार्ट विद दिस आउटफिट. आई रियली लव दिस आउटफिट. This is a jumper, and I love these bell sleeves, and the color, it's yellow but it's not very bright, it's very subtle, very calm yellow, and I love the flower mini detailed print. I really like the fabric as well, and I really like the style. So usually I love these kind of clothes. They're very comfy and stylish at the same time. So I will wear it if I go meet a friend, or a Starbucks day out or something like that. And it's I can wear it for Goa also. If I go to Goa anytime soon, I can wear it there as well. So I just paired it up with this is my favorite necklace. So it's layered necklace, and I've just wore like mini earrings, and I've put my hair in like a low bun with some flicks out. So I love this outfit. So the next one is this beautiful outfit from one of my favorite brands, Armani Exchange. So you can see the net, and I love this Armani Exchange logo that they've given, and I'm very excited to wear this outfit. I don't know where I'm going to wear it like right now, but I'm sure for some evening, a party or get together, I would love to wear it there. And it's a net, a net dress, but inside they've given you like a black single one piece where you can wear it. Also miniature detail. I love this miniature detail. It is written Armani Exchange, a small detail, and I love this outfit. Yay! So the next one is also from one of my favorite brands, Tommy Hilfiger. I really like this outfit, and as you can see the color, it is the signature color of Hilfiger, and you can see it in the logo as well. I love the fabric. It's very soft, and the quality is extremely good, and I really like this Hilfiger miniature detail, and it's very comfy, casual day out, or while shoot. I think I'm just gonna put this and just rush to my shoot. Really like this. Very stylish and comfy. The next one is from Only, and it's a very pretty cute knitted top, and I really like the color. It's so subtle, very calm pink, and I really like the fabric of this, and I would really wear it with probably white pants or shorts, depends on what my mood is. And I really like this. It's a little oversized, because it's knitted, so I think I'm really gonna like the fall of it. So the next one is from again Armani Exchange. It's a very elegant, very beautiful white one piece, as you can see. I really like the cut it has. It'll have a very good fall. Fabric is amazing. This outfit is something, it's like a time saver. Suddenly there's a party you didn't know about and you have nothing to wear, you can always go with this one. It's a plain white. You can if you have like an evening party, you can like wear a little more jewelry. If it's a day party, you can wear less jewelry, but this outfit will go for day, evening, night. If you have meetings, you can wear this. It'll look really nice. तो गाइज मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि आप स्मार्ट शॉपर कैसे बन सकते हैं. तो यूजुअली जब आप शॉप करते हैं तो आप डायरेक्टली उस वेबसाइट पे जाते हैं या उस ऐप पे जाते हैं जहाँ से आपको शॉपिंग करनी है. बट इन दिस केस यू डोंट हैव टू डू दैट, आपको डायरेक्टली नहीं जाना है, आपको डाउनलोड करना है लेडी शॉप्स ऐप। आप उसमें जैसे ही ऐप को प्रेस करेंगे आपको रजिस्टर करना है अपनी ईमेल आईडी के थ्रू, और जैसे ही आपका रजिस्टर हो जाता है, अपना नाम आपका रजिस्टर हो जाता है, तो आपका अकाउंट बन जाएगा। जैसे ही आप उस ऐप में जाएंगे यू कैन सी ऑल द बिग ब्रांड्स लाइक आजियो, मिंत्रा, फ्लिपकार्ट एक्सेट्रा, आपको सारी ब्रांड्स दिखेंगी। और फिर जिस ब्रांड से आपको शॉप करना है यू कैन जस्ट प्रेस ऑन टू दैट, यू कैन क्लिक दैट, और लेडी शॉप्स थ्रू ही मतलब वो आपको डायरेक्टली उसी वेबसाइट पे लेके जाएगा। फिर आप जैसे शॉपिंग करते हैं वैसे कीजिए, जो आपको पसंद है आप खरीद लीजिए। यू कैन ईजिली प्लेस योर ऑर्डर लाइक यू ऑलवेज डू। फिर कुछ घंटे बाद आपको माई अकाउंट सेक्शन में लेडी शॉप्स के ऐप में ही आपको कैशबैक दिखेगा। तो ये जो कैशबैक होता है ये रियल कैश है, तो आप इसे बैंक में अपने ट्रांसफ़र करवा सकते हैं। एक और अच्छी बात है गाइस, तो अगर आप COD का ऑप्शन लेते हैं मतलब कैश ऑन डिलीवरी, फिर भी आपका जो कैशबैक है वो लागू होता है। ऑल्सो अ गुड थिंग फॉर यू गाइज, डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने एक लिंक दी हुई है, तो अगर उस लिंक के थ्रू आप परचेज करते हैं लेडी शॉप्स में कोई भी वेबसाइट में, तो फर्स्ट 7 डेज के लिए आपको 30% इंक्रीज कैशबैक मिलेगा। हाउ कूल नो। तो बहुत बार लेडी शॉप्स ऐप में बूस्टर डील चलते हैं, मतलब जो भी आपका नॉर्मल कैशबैक है वो 5 to 10 टाइम्स तक इंक्रीज हो जाता है। लाइक एग्जाम्पल, अगर कैशबैक इज 8% तो इट इंक्रीजेस टू 40%, समटाइम्स 80%। लाइक मतलब इतना ज़्यादा कैशबैक आपको मिल सकता है। सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, वो बूस्टर डील जो आता है कभी कभी स्क्रीन पे, तो आप उसे प्रेस करेंगे तो वो डील एक्टिवेट हो जाएगी फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3 आवर्स। बट अगर उस 3 घंटे में आपने परचेज नहीं किया या उस डील को यूज़ नहीं किया तो वो एक्सपायर हो जाएगा। सो मेक श्योर उस 3 घंटे में आप उसे यूज़ करें। So I've also bought some outfits for my mom and dad. So for mom I got from Ritu Kumar, and this is a kurti as you can see, and my mom usually likes stuff like this which is very elegant and sophisticated. So this you can see, this is the back of the kurti. I really like the print and I think my mom's also gonna look very gorgeous wearing this. And you can see there's a collar also, it's very different. And you must have not seen this kind of a designer kurti so easily. So Ritu Kumar is of course one of the best designers, so I'm very excited for my mom to wear this. Next I got a top for my mom from Ritu Kumar, and you can see it's a very unique print. I love this stitching that they have done here, and the print also, it has a little bit flare. You will see it has a little bit flare, so it's very flowy kind of dress, very comfortable, fabric is amazing. I'm very excited for my mom to wear this as well. And last but not the least, I got something for my dad. It's this woolen sweater. So of course in Bombay, it's not that cold in Bombay, but usually he keeps traveling, so I thought why not get him something which will keep him warm. I really like the color, it's my and dad's favorite color, grey. And there's a zip also, you can see it's a very good leather chain. It's from Selected, and I really like the fit, and it's very comfortable and it'll keep him warm. So guys, don't forget to download the super savings app Lady Shops, and it's good to save extra, right? Who doesn't like saving extra? So the link is in the description, you can check that out. And अगर कोई भी issues होते हैं तो उनकी जो support team है उनका contact details भी मैंने description box में डाल दिया है. So guys, happy shopping and save कीजिए बहुत सारा, and lots of love.